Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. We're going to jump into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. Time to be selling was November 11th at 69k at the top. Time to be buying is near the bottom. Can we go lower? Yes, but just DCA. Make sure you ladder down if we are. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals for Bitcoin. Market quite in the red today. Apple up a little bit yesterday, but most of the market down. MCRT up 5% today, leading the market. Bit up 2%, Apple 1%, Ethereum up 1%, Bitcoin slightly holding, still under 19,000, which is interesting. But it's not dropping quickly, which is also very interesting. It's back above this white line if you've been following my video. So we have two main lines that we need to pay attention to. This red line is the big one that started the downtrend on November 11th, that time of the bear market. You can see here, November 11th, 2021, 69k, and we started dropping. And here you can see we're getting very tight in this line. It's coming to a point of a big, like a culmination of two big lines. The one line is this red one from November 2021, and this white line, which is the uptrend that started from the bottom at 17k. So you can see here that this point meets together in the next few days. This meeting point, and we're holding this white line. It spiked underneath it, then back up, and then holding it again. It finalizes this box by the 6th of October. 6th of October is where it finalizes, around here. 5th of October, that's when we have the time of the finalization. So either two things are going to happen, in my opinion. Either we're going to double bottom, which is most likely because that will create a double bottom that gives us the bottoming formation before moving up and breaking out of here, or we hold this white line and build pressure and break out. But in my opinion, we're close to the bottom. Can it fall lower? Yes. Why? Because this is a rising broadening wedge. This pattern here is a rising broadening wedge. This one, and that's a bearish pattern. It usually plays to the bottom, but this 17k will create a double bottom. Now, in my opinion, we can go lower. We can have quick spikes down to 15k. It's possible. The big support is here, so we could have a spike to 13,900, but I think it'll be very quick. So what you could do, and what I would be doing, it's not financial advice, you have to do your own due diligence, but you can set orders at these major supports: 15,900, 13,900, and 17,600. Split up your capital. If you're looking to invest in capital in Bitcoin, do your own due diligence, but split it up. If you have 100,000, put 20,000 here, 20,000, 20,000, 20,000 down on these supports. If you have $1 million, then 200, 100,000, 100,000, 100. If you have 1,000, then $200, $200, $200 at these supports. Don't put it all in here. Put it at the supports. On the weekly, we're oversold. Daily, we're oversold. 4 hourly, midway, hourly oversold heading up. 15 minutes overbought. So slight pullback before a move up, in my opinion. It's holding this line and multiple touches here on this support, which is interesting. And on the closer time frame, we also have a bull flag here. We have a pole and a flag formation. This is a bull flag. So I do expect that we could be moving up here for Bitcoin. The base of the pole is the distance that we move. So this from here to around here would be where we're going to move the bull flag. So around 19,600. Now, where would I would go long here on Bitcoin, because until this line, I think we're going to move up. Actually, it's coming to accumulation point. Now the FOMC meeting is today, and they're going to announce the interest rates, and that's where it matters. So I would wait till the interest rate announcement. If they announce anything under 100 basis points, then it's going to be a bullish momentum in the market. If they say that they're going to increase it by 100 basis points, then it can be bearish momentum in the market. Let's jump back in. So I would actually go, so if you want to trade, I'm going to show you the trade I would open on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin, underneath this video in the description down below, you can sign up to Bybit. The link is in the description of this video. Go down below, sign up to Bybit. You get a $4,450 sign-up bonus when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. You can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. I would be going long on Bitcoin, targeting that resistance. So I'd go on the 15 minutes. I'd wait for a pullback, and then I'd be going long on Bitcoin. But I don't think a pullback's going to come, but could try to wait for a pullback. Here, stop loss, very tight stop loss just underneath this support. It either works or it fails. Take profit at the target, 5.39 ratio, risking $129 to make $697. With 10x leverage, that'd be $6,970. 100x leverage, $69,000. That's the trade I would open on Bybit on Bitcoin right now. But again, close to the bottom in my opinion. So that's what's happening in the markets. I'll do Ethereum in the next video. MCRT up 6%. MCRT pulled back quite a bit. Yesterday we had a big sell-off, but today getting a big bounce back, trying to reclaim that 1 cent mark. which is interesting. It's still down quite a bit today, around 8% in the last 24 hours. 650 market cap. Pay attention to MCRT. This is my project. Do your own due diligence, not financial advice, but pay attention to MCRT. Market cap currently 15 million. Volume massive, up 69% today. $1.1 million of volume. Big bounce on MCRT. On the monthly, it's gone down quite a bit, almost 50% drop in the last month. On the last 3 months, it's still up around 700% or 600% in the last 3 months. The bottom was around here, so it's up around or less 500% in the last 3 months, but big pullback in the last month, almost down 50%. Pay attention to MCRT. Also, you can stake MCRT at app.magicraft.io. Right now, there's around 489 million MCRT staked in the contract, 27% per year API on the staking contract. You can stake for different lockup durations and different staking rewards. You can get MCRT on PancakeSwap. Right now, 1,000 MCRT, 1,000 US dollars, gets you around 100,000 MCRT. 1,000 US dollars gets you 100,000 MCRT. My goal is to make MCRT in the top 10 market cap coins. This is not financial advice. This is just my goals. I'm already a retired multimillionaire. I'm an advisor to many crypto projects. I actually turn down a lot of advisories, which means I get a percentage of the entire supply. And I turn down a lot. I only do the best ones. I'm an investor, VC, in more than 30 crypto startups. My team does due diligence on those startups. And now I'm building MagicCraft, and this is the play-to-earn game that I'm the founder of. Pay attention to it. Do your own due diligence. You can get MCRT in the description. You can find where to get MCRT. PancakeSwap is the main place, decentralized exchange, but also on centralized exchange, Bitmart, BitGet, MEXC, and more to come, which is beautiful. Pay attention to MCRT, everyone. Let's see if there's any major on Twitter. MagicCrafts, we're building like crazy. This is what happened in 2022. Team from 12 to 33 people. That's the internal core team. We actually have 2 studios with more than 100 developers working in them. Our total team is around 150. Community from 40,000 to more than 325,000 community members across the social networks. Staked MCRT from 100 million to now more than 475 million MCRT. We did this in the bear market, and we're actually trending quite big in the bear market, MCRT, which is very big. We're the only ones that have gone up more than 500% during this bear market. And you can just learn about, check it out on Twitter. On Twitter now it has more than, quite a few followers. Let's see how many. Now 115,000 followers on Twitter. Check it out. So that's what's happening in the markets. Everyone pay attention to MCRT. Do your own due diligence. The rest of the market quite even. MCRT up around 6%. The rest of the market, Ethereum, I'll do a video on Ethereum next. So that's what's happening in Bitcoin, trading on Bybit for Bitcoin trading, and pay attention to MCRT. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button, comment down below if you want me to analyze any tokens. I'll do Ethereum in the next video. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.